everybody, my name is Jessica Ambrose, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit about the aurora and why it takes place and how it happens.
The center of our solar system is the Sun. Our Sun is an astonishing 5,800 Kelvin or 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit. Our Sun is actually the main cause of the aurora here on Earth. The Sun has a magnetic field that gets twisted and contorted as the Sun rotates on its axis. As the field gets twisted, it begins to reach its breaking point. It then bursts and forms sunspots. Charged particles of plasma escape from the sunspots and are thrown out into space, forming solar winds. These solar winds take about 40 hours to reach Earth. Earth has a magnetosphere, where charged particles are controlled by a magnetic field. The solar winds bombard the magnetosphere, and most of it is rejected back into space. But at the two poles of the Earth, the magnetosphere is weaker, and the charged particles that make up the winds are able to get through. That is why the aurora mainly takes place at the northern and southern poles. The Earth's atmosphere is formed of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% of other gases. The charged particles interact with the electrons that make up these gases, and they get excited to a higher energy level. When the electrons begin to calm down and fall to a lower level, they release little packets of light known as photons. Different gases release photons at a variety of wavelengths. When the light is in the visible spectrum, we see a range of color. Nitrogen releases most of its visible light in the 400 to 450 nanometer and 600 to 700 nanometer wavelengths, which produces blue light and red light, causing a purple or blue tone aurora. Oxygen releases most of its visible light in the 560 nanometer and 630 nanometer wavelengths, which produces a green and orange light, causing a mostly green tone aurora. When the oxygen is low altitude, approximately 60 miles above Earth, the aurora will be green. But if the oxygen is at a much higher altitude, 200 miles above Earth, it will produce a rare all-red aurora. This natural phenomena is such a stunning display of science and nature, no wonder people travel from across the world to witness it.